Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to make these paper star decorations. If you like these, you will also like my tissue paper flower video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. So let's get started. For this project you'll need 5 square sheets of paper of the same size. You'll also need glue and scissors. So that's it guys, let's get started. So first of all, take a square sheet of paper and fold it diagonally in both ways. This side and then this one. Yeah, so after doing this you'll notice that here is this diagonal fold which you're gonna fold like this, and then you're gonna take your scissors and cut along these lines like this. I make about 7 cuts, but you can change that depending on your wish. Yeah, so then what you're gonna do is open it up and flatten it. Then take your glue and start gluing up the way I'm doing. First of all, take these folds and glue them both up like this, here and then here. You might need a help of something to get it in place, but for now I prefer it like this. Then you're gonna skip one and take the other two and glue them together. This might take some while to dry, so please wait till it dries. Then again skip 2 and glue these together. Now we'll skip these and go to the last ones. Once again, just use some glue. So look, after that what you're gonna do is turn it on the other side and glue these. You might need the help of something to get it properly in place. Yeah, now these both. And after these ones as well. So guys, look, we are done with one unit and now we'll make the rest of them. So guys, I'm done making all 5 of them. Next what you're gonna do is take your glue and glue them all up one by one. Yeah, put some glue and hold it together. You can basically do like this, or if you want it to be a bit stronger of a bond, then you can also glue the sides. So guys, look, basically I'm done making it. Nice, right? If you want, you can also make a hole here and put a string on so that you can hang it. For example, here I have used this string. So basically that's it. If you guys like the video, Please like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. Bye.